Tesla Model X Body Kit Installation Operation Guide. The body kit includes a front lip and side skirts, rear diffuser and installation kit. Front lip installation, tear off adhesive tip. Install the front lip over the original front bumper. First, secure both sides in place. Then peel off the 3 meters adhesive tape from one side. Press firmly on the other side to secure it in place within the wheel arch liner. Fixing screw, then fix the bottom screw. Side skirt installation, clean side skirt fit. Uncover the middle part of the side skirt. Pull out a section reserved to fit the side skirt to the body. After tearing off the adhesive paper, press it firmly and fix it. Fixed front and rear side and bottom screw positions. Rear diffuser installation. Diffuser wiring operation. Open the bottom cover plate of the rear bumper. Remove the left cover plate of the rear trunk, right side and middle trim cover. Thread wire from the top to the ventilation compartment in the trunk. Plug the cable into the trunk. Plug it in with the original taillights. Put the rear surround on the rear bar of the original car. Fix the positions on both sides. Then tear off the double-sided tape from one side. Press firmly to the other side. Fixed in eyebrow landing position. Tighten the bottom screws. Test the diffuser lamp after installation. Installation complete.